Hey guys, Zoe at WeShipFloors bringing you another one of our French Oak series. This one is the SPC032X Driftwood. The X stands for Xtreme, 30 mil wear layer, commercial rated. This one is a dusty khaki, darker color, but again, overall not very dark. Please keep in mind the video is showing the dark areas, much darker than I see them. And it's important to get samples, folks, so please do reach out to us and get the samples you'd like. But taking a look here, I do have some natural light coming from the left, so you can see how the colors play with natural light. This does have an embossed surface texture for slip resistance. It is also the 7-inch wide and a really long 5-foot length. This looks fabulous in big open rooms. This is a beautiful color for those that like some gray with a little brown in it. That's why it's called driftwood, because to me this really does look like driftwood. Now over here on this side, I am under a full spectrum photography light, so you can see how the color changes a little bit. Taking a quick look at some of the character details. Again, overall just a real subtle grain on this floor. This takes care of everyone that has been asking for a product with less business, if you will, less character, just a little more fluid looking at it across the room. And this is a full box racked out here on the floor for the purpose of the video, so just keep in mind this is just a quick rack out to get these introduced to you guys. A lot of people have been waiting for these, so go ahead and get on our website, WeShipFloors.com. Go ahead and request your samples. We'll get them on the way, 2-day priority mail in your mailbox. In closing, again, this is the SPC032X Driftwood SUPERCore Xtreme. Please comment below, and thanks for watching.